What is that? What could that be? Stinks. Could it be my garbage can? Oh, that is correct. Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you an easy garbage can hack that you can use to greatly reduce any odors you have coming from your trash can. It's really simple to do. I've been doing this hack for about 15 years. I learned it from my mom, and it works really, really well. So let's jump right into it. Okay, before we get started with this little hack, you want to make sure your garbage can on the inside is clean and wiped down. Just give it a good little wash once over. Make sure there's no food particles that could have fallen down in there and are slowly rotting or decaying or whatever you want to call it. Okay, and the only other two things you need is a cotton ball and some essential oils. I like peppermint, eucalyptus, and lavender the most. And you're just going to want to be kind of generous and put about 15 drops all over the cotton ball, like so. Then take the cotton ball, throw it in, good to go. Now this little garbage can hack with the essential oils will last about 2 weeks, I've found, before the aroma kind of goes away and you need to reapply a new cotton ball. But it's cheap, it's effective, it really works. Another thing I really like is when you go to change your garbage and you pull your bag out, you get hit with an aroma of lavender or whatever flavor scent you use rather than a garbage foul smell. So that's really, really nice. If you'd like to know where I got these essential oils, I'll put a link below where you can purchase them on Amazon. I'd appreciate it if you get this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.